Back to my channel. I thought I had recorded this, but my camera had shut off on me. So once again, I'm going to make this as short and sweet as possible. Okay. So this is for my April 10th paycheck number, my April paycheck number 1, which was on April the 10th. Okay. My previous balance from before was $1.60. My paycheck was $817.40. And then I got $71 from my partner, which gave me a total of $888.40. And out of this paycheck, I paid bills. Obviously, here's my expenses. So I did the gas, the electric, TubeBuddy, my water bill, Spectrum, and that unexpected loan payment. So I totaled everything up. My total expenses came to $487.95. I paid the exact amounts except for the TubeBuddy, which is not due. It's usually due between the 20th and the 24th of the month. So, but I'm budgeting it out of this pay right here. Then I have my cash envelopes. So the way I have it set up is this is just the way that I understand it for myself. So I already have $200 saved. I added another 100 to that, which now means I have $300 saved up. Let me see, groceries. We already did our grocery shopping, but I did budget $100 for my groceries. And I spent that whole $100, which left me remaining of zero balance. Then I did household. I hadn't, because I decided that this is the time for me to start putting money into my cash envelopes. I'm really trying to do that, even with the pandemic going on. I just like to have cash as well as using my cards. So I didn't have anything in there, but I budgeted in $10. So now I have a balance of $10 in my household envelope. Miscellaneous had a zero balance. I budgeted $10, so now that has $10 in it. Entertainment, zero balance. I'm budgeting in $5. Beauty, eventually, hopefully everything will open back up so I can go get my nails done again. And I budgeted in $5, so I have $5. So I'm just going to go ahead and start saving up for that. Now, over here, let's just say I had technical difficulties with my pen, but you guys can't really see it that clear on camera, but it's I have a total of $330 saved as far as this part goes here. And then down to my sinking funds, which is, I've added a whole lot more to it. Before, I just had the Chase and Avon. But these are my sinking funds. So I decided that I will go ahead and start saving for Christmas. And I've added $10 to that envelope for that. I already had $12.88, which this includes my change that I collected throughout, the month or whatever. But I'm adding $8 for that, but it's not in change. It's going to be in bills. And then, which brings me to a total of $20.88. And then my savings, number 2, which is my online bank account. I have a balance of $707. I'm not adding anything to this pay. So I still have $7.07 there. And then for birthdays, I didn't have anything in that one, but I'm saving $10 for that. So I'm added $10 to that envelope. Same thing for gifts. This is just not Christmas, obviously, but for gifts throughout the year. I have a large family and he does too. So in case, I have daughters and he has daughters, baby showers, the grandkids, that kind of thing. So that's what gifts are for, or even to ourselves. And then here's that loan. Even though I have it written down there, it's considered a sinking fund. It started off at $500. This is the third pay. I paid it off in 3 pays. So I paid $200 on that, and it is now closed. And so these are the totals here: 14, 46, 38 in the beginning. And you can see where I have minus 162 because that's the difference between these two balances here. But the total for this column here is $38 for the cash. And so my total cash envelopes came to $68. And I already have that put in here, which is in part 2 of this video, and you guys will see that. And like I mentioned, as far as the TubeBuddy goes, I do use TubeBuddy. It helps me keep track of how many views that I get each month, or I pretty much check it every day. So, you know, for each day, it helps me keep track of that. So if you ever wanted to start a YouTube channel, TubeBuddy is a great tool to use, and I'll leave a link, leave my link below, so you guys can go click on that and then check it out for yourself if you decide to start doing videos during this time. I mean, you don't really need any special skill to record a video. You just got to have good content, so that will attract viewers to your channel. Okay. And actually, well, that's pretty much it. I had to make it short and sweet. It took longer. The other video was much longer than this, but because I don't want my video to cut off or my camera to cut off, I just went on ahead and re-recorded this video because it did not save. And I wanted you guys to know what I was talking about when I post my cash envelope stuffing for this first paycheck of April. As far as the pandemic goes, I just pray that everybody is staying safe and you guys are following all the rules. As far as, you know, if your state has the stay-at-home order, don't leave out unless you absolutely positively have to. A lot of people are thinking that this is just, it's not real, but it's very real. And I just want everybody to be safe so we can hurry up and get through this and life will probably never be back to normal completely, but at least there'll be some normality to it. So I want you guys to have a great day, and I will see you the next time. Bye.